too gone. Yeah, you can find me in the smoke till we way too gone. What's going on, guys? Nate here, Winter Circle. We got PJ and Brittany in the building, and it's Super Bowl Sunday, so let's do a little predictions video for the Patriots-Eagles game, huh? So I'd like to start off by saying that I don't follow football that much. I know the Packers. I follow the Packers. I watch the Packers green and gold all day. Boom, boom. But I don't really know anybody besides the quarterbacks. So, but these guys know quite a bit about football. And I want the Eagles to win, I think. So fuck the Patriots, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah, basically.
I mean, I guess not fuck the Patriots. I don't know. Who knows? New England, right? We're good. We got a couple New England Patriot fans in the.
No one wants the Patriots to win every year.
Yeah. So let's get into who we think. I think for sure. One thing I know, I think Eagles for sure will win the coin flip. Coin toss for less controversy in the long run when the Patriots win.
You think heads or tails?
I think you would do it. I don't know. Probably heads.
Oh, tails. Tails never fails.
Heads for the Eagles.
Heads for the Eagles. Oh, like the Eagles' head.
All right. Okay. So we'll go with first. Who do you want to win, and then we'll go with second. Who do you think's gonna win and why? So who do you want to win?
I want the Eagles to win, and I don't know if they will win because you never know.
I want to see the Eagles run up the score on them.
Yes.
Yeah. I want it to be an embarrassment.
It would be nice for somebody
Patriots.
else.
Yeah.
No, but I've always said.
Yeah, I'm sick of seeing the Patriots.
Philly. Was that a Philly accent? I
I
don't know. But yeah. Okay. So who do you think is gonna win?
Oh man, the Patriots are gonna cheat for sure. They're gonna win. They're gonna probably win.
I think it's going to be Patriots will win, and they'll win by a lot.
Yeah.
You don't
I don't know
know.
what scores to say.
I think
27-10 Patriots. But
Oh, not scores. Okay. Shit.
I mean,
27-10 Patriots.
I really hope it doesn't go that way, but that's my prediction.
Dude, I hope it's a high-scoring game, at least 30 points on both sides.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit of no overtime, but let's come down to a buzzer play, you know? And then it'll probably be an upset. Oh well though.
I think if it's an upset, it'll be close. Like if the Eagles win, it's gonna be close. But if the Patriots win, it's probably gonna be a blowout. And it'll get ugly in the fourth quarter if it's getting that way. I think they'll just run it up on them.
So, who do you think's gonna win in the comments down below? Patriots or Eagles? I don't know. I think it'll be a good game either way. The commercials are always dope as fuck. Cheers to everybody out there. Hope you're doing good. We got a bunch of videos in store for you guys. New music coming soon. We got a vlog. We got a mixtape update. Stay tuned. We got a bunch in the works. Have a good Super Bowl Sunday. Peace.